Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 10. This common issue usually means a device isn't starting, often due to driver problems or hardware conflicts. First, try a simple restart of your computer. This can often clear up temporary glitches and is a great first step. Then, open Device Manager and look for any devices marked with a yellow exclamation point, which indicates a problem that needs attention. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a frequent culprit behind error code 10. To address this, open Device Manager, right-click on the device showing the error, and select Update Driver. First, try the automatic search option. If that doesn't work, head to the device manufacturer's official website. They usually have the most current and compatible drivers available for download. Sometimes, a new driver update can actually cause error code 10. If this is the case, you can roll back to a previous version. In Device Manager, find the device, go to its properties, click the Driver tab, and select Roll Back Driver. If that option is unavailable, uninstall the device and its driver software completely. Then, restart your computer, and Windows will typically reinstall a working driver automatically. If the previous steps haven't resolved error code 10, try some advanced troubleshooting. Run the built-in hardware and devices troubleshooter. It can often pinpoint and fix problems automatically. Also, think about any recent software installations or system changes that might be causing a conflict. A system restore to an earlier point can also be very effective. If all else fails, the device itself might be faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.